Crude oil and natural gas traded in a range today. We have seen a struggle on the upside. C74, as we have discussed earlier in the day, should offer a good resistance. It is a struggle at 74, while natural gas is also shown a greater struggle around $3.984 zone. Can we say that the highs for oil and gas are done? Is the rally over? Is the party over? Can we look forward to a reversal, or the bulls are waiting here for a breakout? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and natural gas today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and here not only we are going to give you the levels but also going to give you the reasoning behind each and every level in analyzing the charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into crude oil followed with natural gas. Watch till the end. Now look at the oil on the early charts. We have seen the highs here, then this dip has come, and since then it is trading in this retracement channel. Now very important for it to break beyond 74. If it stays beyond 74, you can look forward to a greater rise here, while on the downside now 72 has offered a very good support. Now see, previously also we have seen 72.4, 72.6 offering it good support, and today again it has come to the rescue here. Now this zone is getting critical. Also if you look at the move here, see, it is delivering higher lows and higher highs, staying in this bullish channel. Now if it stays beyond 74, 74.2, the next targets are going to be towards 74.8, 75. Moving average is bullish, stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for sell, trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you see the 2-hour charts here, similar is the observation, taking the support from the 20 period, price is moving upwards and again staying bullish. Now if you see it is staying beyond 74, you can take a buying entry and then we can expect a further rise. Then 74.8, 75 should be ideally the next target which it should try to achieve. Stochastic rising, the MACD almost flat, the RSI is flat here. See what a dip this dip has done. It has cooled down the indicators which were trading aggressively bullish on the smaller time frame. Look at the 3-hour charts here also. Price were trading with divergence from 20 period. We have seen it converging here. See, higher lows and higher highs are seen. Once it trades beyond 74, more bullishness should prevail here. But notice, look at the drop here. This was bit aggressive. The slope here is bit gradual. This suggests it is going to be difficult for oil to break 74 and 75. Once it trades beyond 75, that is the point of time you can confirm that this is a breakout move. See, these are uncertain times and anything and everything is possible. Beyond 75 this time, the possibility will be very high that oil prices might hit $80 soon. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD willing to cross over for sell. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, right now it is delivering lower highs and lower lows here. It is forming a nice flag. And see, candle sizes here are bigger in size and these candles are very small, suggestive that the bears are not very much interested here in the drop here. Now see, as long as it delivers lower highs, and thus this suggests as long as prices stays below 74, we should not initiate a buying entry here. Why? Because see, creating lower highs, again the prices may take a hit here. It is still staying with divergence from the 20 period, and yes, 72.4, 72.6 is a greater support, 72 is another support, and below that you can expect more bearishness to follow. Notice drop, retracement, and if this drops this time, it might bring more bears out here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is willing to cross over for sell, the RSI is running flat here. Coming to daily charts. Now notice on the daily chart, see, first the week started with the gap up, it has erased all the gains. Here you can see couple of bearish candles, body size diminishing here. Now price is taking the support from $70 levels, bouncing back. Now yesterday we have seen the first bullish candle. Now today it is very important to break past yesterday's high. Now see, it has already created a tail, and once it breaches past yesterday's high 74, 74.2, we can expect the next target to be at around 74.8, 75. And once it stays beyond 75, ideally I'll be looking forward to 76.2, 77.4, 78.6 and $80 zone as the next targets. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. With the prevailing uncertainty, definitely it is going to it is going to become difficult to predict, and then markets might give you a stronger move while be it on the upside or on the downside, because see, slightest movement, slightest news might create a possibility of a breakout, and then the gains might erase equally soon as well. Now today we also have the inventory data. This will also add to the volatility here. So now considering this, buying entries we have mentioned, 74 is the only level beyond which you should buy, And now on the downside, I will recommend the selling entry only below 73, 72.8. 73, 72.8 should be the very good support, then 72.4 and then 72. If these three levels are taken, you can stay short for 71.5, 71. And then we can in fact see it hitting 70. Chances for which appears to be less. However, these are markets. Take your trades, take your positions according. Let's move to natural gas. Now see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels as well. If you also want to learn this art of trading, join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 30th of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. It offers you a SAP-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and zero commissions. Join it today and enjoy your trading. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the early charts after taking the dip here, finding the support from 3.9, it is again now trying to bounce back. Now see, it is very important for gas to break beyond $3.984 zone. That is the zone beyond which you can say more bullishness should prevail. Right now, see, after a long time it has breached the 20-minute moving average, but again bouncing back here. So now even if you see it is staying beyond 3.9698, you can initiate a buying entry. Moving averages are trading bullish. The stochastic rising here. MACD is crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI is looking upwards here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, it has taken a dip, it has taken the support from the 20 period, now bouncing back up again. Now if you see it is staying beyond 3.9698, you can say now the bulls are back. See, it has taken the support, it can deliver higher highs, which means it can breach beyond $4 zone here. Now remember, beyond 4, it can invite more bulls for the near term, because beyond 4, if it stays and closes the day above 4, the next targets are to be towards 4.2, 4.4 very soon. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, stochastic rising here. Interesting thing is the MACD, which after a good rise has crossed over for sell. Now if you look at the last few times, whenever it hits this zone, it tries to erase the gains. This could be no other exception, it might try to erase the gains here, and thus you have to be specifically cautious on the upside. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3-hour charts, when you see the 3-hour charts, after the dip it is trying to bounce back, trying to rise here. And now this could mean a reversal as well, but not until it breaches $3.984 zone. Now notice it is still trading with divergence from the 20 period average here, which is right now sitting at around 3.86, 3.84 zone. This zone is very critical, and 3.8 ultimately, see, previously the resistance now should act as a support. So till 3.8, natural gas has got extremely strong support. Moving averages are here, trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has seen a good rise. It has tried to converge but not yet crossed over. It has delivered very good waves here. We have to wait for it to cross over in order to confirm a reversal. Right now, it is shying away from the crossover. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4-hour charts, if you see the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, one red candle. It is possible that it can still take a hit from here. As long as 3.96, 3.98 zone is not taken, you should not be staying bullish here. Beyond 3.98 is where we can say now we can expect it to move towards 4.02, 4.1 and then 4.2 levels. Possibility is there. However, I must say that natural gas is trading or entering into slightly overbought zone, which you should be cautious and watchful of. And thus, in fact, even if you see it is staying below 3.93, take a sell for 3.9. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has seen a good rise, waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, now see, on the daily charts, preceding two candles is strongly bullish. Today it has formed a tail, it is waiting for a breakout, and thus 3.984 it should be watched out for. Once it trades beyond $4 zone, possibility of a move towards 4.02 you should watch out for, and then we can expect it to move towards 4.1 and 4.2 levels. Notice first the rise, the retracement, consolidation going on here, and once it breaches out beyond 4, we can stay bullish here in natural gas. This might deliver a stronger breakout on the upside. Moving average is now starting to diverge, good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought, the MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI is rising here. So now considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3.98. Expect it to move towards 4.02 and then 4.1. Beyond 4.1, more bullishness should prevail. We can in fact expect 4.2, 4.4 very soon, if not today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.93, where you can expect 3.9, 3.8684 and then 3.8. Till 3.8, Natural gas has got extremely strong support till 3.8. Do not treat gas as bearish. It can bounce back sharp up again. So yes, the stance is still bullish. It is not yet giving up, though it is getting into slightly overbought zone. However, the bullishness is not yet left, and hence breakout is what you should watch out for. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow with more updates. Thank you.